Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, I'll be taking you through the Bitcoin private website. Private, decentralized, fast, open source, community driven coin. BTC P-Pay is successfully running in testing mode. You can click this button to get white paper. Why BTCP? It is a private, decentralized, fast, open source, community driven, and a fair start. Hard fork. What is a hard fork? A hard fork is when a single cryptocurrency splits in two. Bitcoin private team. Over 70 total contributors with over 20 engineers having joined our initiative in just 30 days time. Wallets. You can get full node desktop wallet on Windows, Apple, and Linux, and coin only on Android and iOS. So I'm going to end the video right here. Subscribe to my channel, leave a like and comment down below. You can also go to the Coins website to find more information about Bitcoin.